Hello children, today I will perform a magic in front of you. As you can see, I have this inflated balloon in my hand, and in this balloon there is no knot on the top and it's not tied with any rubber band as well, but still it's inflated. Isn't it a magic? Now I'll tell you the trick behind this magic by which you can also perform the same thing at your home. For that, you just need one balloon and one coin. First of all, inflate this balloon, but before inflating, insert this coin into this balloon. Now as you can see, the balloon is inflated and there is a coin inside this balloon. Now hold this balloon like this and adjust this coin in such a way that it should come on this outlet, this portion from where you are blowing this air. And then after fixing this coin here, then release your hand. Now see, there is a coin at this point which prevents this air from moving inside to outside, and because of this vacuum, this coin is not moving anywhere inside this balloon as well. So this way you can apply this trick and show it to your parents. Go and try.